So in the nation of Zimbabwe, this is the stage we are now, where you can actually see that the electricity poles, the electricity transformers have been rendered useless. Why? Electricity is supposed to build businesses. Electricity is supposed to support families, support kids with their homeworks. But if you look at it right now, ndomira mqueue yezupco. When I get home around 9 o'clock, and vananenge varara. By that time I have missed an opportunity to sit down with my kids ndichita homework navo vachangobva kuchikoro vasati varara. And to add more salt, you would see kuti by the time I arrive home ivo vana vanenge vatorara kudhara because magetsi acho kunenge kusina. And in the morning vanomuka kugeza mvura inotonhora because time yacho vanomuka uchitry kubatanza mates, magetsi acho amvarwa pasanobva aenda. And we have a sitting president, we have a sitting minister of energy, we have a lot of government officials who are there, including the finance minister Chamutengure. So this is a sign of people who are sleeping on duty, people who are sleeping at work, and who does not think about how the community should benefit at large. So I believe that if the government is sincere, they are going to make sure that they deal with this issue. They were supposed to be building free energy transformers, but they are not doing it. They were supposed to be harnessing electricity from big dams like Mkosi, Marwanyati, Terikwi, among others. These are so big lakes or big dams in the nation of Zimbabwe, but they are not being utilized. So if you go to Chimanimani, yeah, there is a power plant there in Chimanimani, and they're utilizing mvura. Yet here our people are not utilizing mvura dzinenge dzichipinda kana kuti dzichibva mumadams atiri now. So it shows that there is need to have a leadership change, a leadership which is going to prioritize important things and important matters. This is my opinion, this is my view. In the comment section, please tell me your views, tell me your thoughts. Mnotichi with this video magetsi achitamba zvaurure ndozvakaita vakuru izvi.